I decided that before I started making any more changes or doing anything, I just do a quick walk around the bike with the camera so you can take a look at what I have done so far. So you'll notice I have top brace with a couple of mounts for the springs. I've got a lower brace in place, and in between there I'll get the battery mounted. Somewhere up in there we'll have an electric box. Motor mounts are tack welded in, so there's the rear motor mount, and it's hard to see, but down below right in here we have the front motor mount. That upper front motor mount will end up probably mounting highway pegs, or I'll use that if I decide to run front pegs or shifter out front, brake out front. And then the rear motor mount I will put in a rear upper motor mount. I like to do that. Bracing for the front stem, front neck. Gas tank is just an aftermarket Harley style Sportster tank. I do have the chain on it already. I do have the rear wheel spaced. And here's the problem I ran into with the sproter. So right now, if the sproter had to, or the back wheel had to be adjusted back, the sproter would hit on the axle plate. So what I'm going to do is cut that axle plate out. I just have the few tack welds in, and I'll machine an area along the back of the axle plate, and that will allow that sproter to be able to move back. And I think it looks like I'm going to be able to get about an inch of adjustment, and once that inch is used up, it'll be a matter of taking a link out of the chain or putting a new chain on the bike. So that is the next step, and that's where the bike is right now. So the next video will end up being video number 3, and that video will show the updated axle plate, and I'll start working on mounting the fender.